Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be a video on this wig here, how I applied it, and a review kind of on it. This wig is a 613 blonde synthetic wig, and it is 24 inches, and I am absolutely in love with it. I was really excited about this wig because this is the first blonde wig that I have that doesn't have dark roots. I have a bunch of blonde wigs, but they all have dark roots. And this is the first one that I got that doesn't have dark roots, and it is a 613, which I was really excited about. The company that sent me this wig is called ReadyWig, so if you guys were wondering. So thank you to ReadyWig for sending me this beautiful wig. I absolutely love it. And also, if you guys go check out their website, which is listed down below in the description box, they have a bunch of different wigs on there. And if you guys find one that you would like to purchase, make sure you guys use my coupon code, which is Adriana, and I'll also have it listed down below in the description box so that you guys can save some coins. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, the little pigtails, how I applied my wig and everything, just keep on watching. So today I have on braids right now. They're just messy braids. They're not even French braids or anything. But I have on braids because I'm going to be applying a wig and styling it for you guys so you guys can see. The wig that I'm going to be applying today, it's 24 inches, I believe. And yeah, it's a 613 blonde wig. So yeah, I already have my braids on, prepped to put on my wig cap. The packaging did come a little bit damaged, but it's okay. And inside, if you guys are wondering, inside the box, it just says ReadyWig. I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair when you open it. And then it also comes with a wig cap, and then instructions on how to take care of the hair, and also all their social media on the back. And then it comes with a little spray bottle. So that's all that comes in the box. So yeah, let's just get into putting on this wig. So like I said, your braids do not need to be perfect because they're going to be up in the wig cap anyway. I'm going to get some bobby pins, and I'm just going to pin up the hair just like so it lays flat. I kind of like to cross the hair, like put that braid up this way and the other braid the other way. So I ended up applying 2 wig caps just so it's more flat to my head, and I just put it on. I don't like to do the cutting out the ears and all that just because that's just too much for me. I'm not going to be really going out, so I don't really need to install it. So I just put on the wig caps as normal. So my sideburns are still showing, but you know, it's not that serious for me right now. This is the blonde wig. I already cut the lace off, so if you're wondering, it already has pre-plucked little baby hairs in the front. It's already really natural looking. The knots on the lace are already bleached. It's very transparent lace, so I really already love this wig. I already tried it on earlier. The part looks very natural. Like I said, it's very transparent. You could see my fingers through it. So yeah, the bleached knots are amazing. I'm really excited about this wig because I have a lot of blonde wigs, but all the blonde wigs that I have are dark roots, and then it goes to blonde. So this is my first blonde 613 wig that I have that it's full blonde, no dark roots. So I'm pretty excited for this. But yeah, I love the hairline already. It looks very natural, baby hairs, everything. The inside of it, this is what the inside of it looks like. The part, as you can see, goes really far back compared to a lot of my other lace front wigs. They usually just like end right there, but this part goes pretty far back, which is really nice. It gives you a lot of space to work with in the front. And then it also comes with 4 clips in the inside, 1 in the back, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the side. And then it has little bra straps to adjust if you need to tighten it as well. So yeah, I'm really digging this wig so far. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the way I styled this wig. I think it's pretty cute, the little pigtails. You could also do little buns, you know, there's so many things that you could do with this wig. It is really cute. I'm probably just gonna cut it a little bit just because I'm not a fan of long synthetic wigs, just because it's more like, I don't know, it just bothers me. So yeah, I'll probably cut it, but other than that, like, I really like this wig, and I like that it's layered already anyway. Like, it's layered, so you don't, you know, it's not all one length. It looks really cute. So I'll probably just do more layers around my face and then make it like a little shorter, because I'm not, like I said, a big fan of the long hair. But yeah, I thought it came out pretty cute. I really love the lace front, how it goes really far back and how it looks really natural. Already comes with baby hairs. So yeah, I would really recommend you guys checking out ReadyWig and their website and using my coupon code. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little wig video, and also comment down below if you have any other ideas that you guys would like to see me do. And yeah, I think that is it. So thank you guys for watching.